Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Homewood Suites by Hilton Ronkonkoma. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Ronkonkoma, Homewood Suites by Hilton Ronkonkoma is 24 miles from Splish Splash. With a fitness center, the 3-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The hotel has an indoor pool and a 24-hour front desk. Guest rooms at the hotel come with a seating area. All rooms in Homewood Suites by Hilton Ronkonkoma are equipped with a flat-screen TV and free toiletries. Guests at the accommodation can enjoy an American breakfast. A business center is at guests' disposal at Homewood Suites by Hilton Ronkonkoma. The nearest airport is Long Island MacArthur Airport, 1.2 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.